If you are looking for ways to improve cash flow in your manufacturing business, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share 12 practical ways manufacturers can unlock cash this month without borrowing more money or increasing sales. Well, number one is group product families together. By producing similar products at the same time, you reduce machine changeovers, labor downtime, subcontractors' costs, and energy consumption. Number two is stay ahead of your debtors. Don't wait until invoices become overdue. Send statements before the due dates. Remind the customers when payments are approaching, and maintain regular communication. Number three is review your reorder quantities. Are you buying more stock than you actually need? Excess inventory ties up valuable cash. Number four is assess what's already sitting in the stores. Identify slow-moving, obsolete, or excess stock that could be converted back into cash. Number five is review your production schedule. Is stock being purchased for jobs that won't start for weeks? Better plannings help cash in the bank to stay longer. Number six is check your finished goods. Do you have completed products sitting on the shelf right now? If they are sellable, consider promotions, discount, or bulk deals to convert them into cash. Number seven is make better use of underutilized machines. If equipment isn't being fully used, consider renting them out for spare capacity or taking on subcontract work from other manufacturers. Number eight is review your work in progress, because every unfinished job represents cash tied up in the factory. Prioritize completing and shipping those orders. Number nine is review your product costing, because incorrect costing often leads to incorrect pricing. Number 10 is reducing scrap and rework. Every defective product wastes materials, labor, and machine time that you'll never recover. Number 11 is delay unnecessary capital expenditure. Before buying new equipment, ask whether the existing capacity can be used more effectively. And number 12 is review your cash flow every week, because visibility is everything. If you don't know where your cash is today, you cannot manage where it will be next month. The reality is this: cash gets trapped throughout your manufacturing business, and the key is knowing where it is trapped and what you can do to release it back into the business as quickly as possible. I am Yashim, driving manufacturing profit. If you would like to improve your profit, your cash flow, and financial performance by turning what happens on the shop floor into clear financial results, follow me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.